Okay, this was on hot. I adjusted it to very hot. You can see it's turned all the way up. There's another mark there right next to hot, and that's the one I'm gonna go for next because it's way too hot. This is a Hydrojet. Not sure what the model is, but there's also another temperature adjustment down here. Make sure your power is turned off for this at the breaker box. Okay, make sure you get yourself a good flathead screwdriver. Don't touch anything else but this dial here. You can turn it. It does feel like there is somewhat of a notch. You can turn it below hot. It looks like you can turn it all the way over here, which is where the bottom one is, and maybe that's why it's not very hot. So that one is right above hot. I'm gonna do the bottom one. It's a little more difficult to get to. Okay, the bottom one. It's a little harder to turn. It was a little below hot, and now it's on hot. So I'm not going to go very hot with that one. I just turned it straight with hot there, and we'll test it out. Okay, just remember now, you want to make sure your breaker is turned off outside or wherever your breaker box is, because there's live electrical wires in here. This is the cover here that you're going to have to pop off. Okay, we're going to put it back together and then test it out. Okay, well that just about wraps it up. Got it all put back together. I ran the hot water. It hasn't kicked on yet, but that's because it has scalding hot water in it still because it was on very hot. There's the model number, the M250S6DS-1NCWW. And that's the Hydrojet reduces sediment buildup. It's a good one, made in the US. Bradford white. Alright, I'll follow up and let you know how it works.